Good morning. I have just woken up. Today I am going to go and take my car to a detailing shack. It's going to get detailed, so I'm going to show you before and the afters. Also I do a bit of fishing. Yeah. I'm going to go and have a breakfast. I got my food. I'm eating my food in my lovely back garden. It's not in the best condition considering I own a horse, and this is what comes of having horses. Do not ask. The wrap was pretty decent though. Right, so that is the boot. Oh, it's too sunny. The wrap looks like really nice colour actually on this video. I kind of like it. Look how beautiful it is. All these dead flies. Absolute huns dying on me. Right, let's have a look inside. I don't actually think it's that bad inside. Well. Oopsies. It just doesn't get looked after inside, and that's me being honest. I'm so excited for your seats to be cleaned. I'm so excited. Woo. So, yeah. As you can tell, it's like definitely in one hell of a need of a deep clean. So yeah, I'm quite excited for this. Lovely. So we're dropping my car off at a detailing shack and then we're going fishing. Woo! Had a great day. We are on our way to pick up my car.
Hey guys, it's Nicole.
Yes, it's been at the detailing shack all day and I'm gonna go pick it up and see what they've done to it.
Copyright.
Copyright? So yeah, I'm excited. As you can see, it looks absolutely mint. Amazing condition, I'm so happy. So I'm going to link their Facebook and their shop below. You can have a look what they've got. Oh, it looks so nice, I'm in love with it. So yeah, I'm really chuffed. So that's really topped my day off. There is, as I mentioned before, there is going to be a massive open day this Sunday. It's going to have food, drink, there's going to be cars and showing them with detailing cars. So it's like an open afternoon for them. So if you've got a few hours, it starts at 11, come down, I'll put the address below. So yeah, it'll be really fun. I'm going to be there too, so yeah. And just to top this video off, I just want to shout out fordvans.co.uk or .com, one of them. This phone case matches my car. I am in love with it. So yeah, the discount code to get 10% off is FF10 and you receive 10%, but it's like really good. I've already got a cracked screen, so ignore that, but yeah, I'm really happy with it. They also do RS, ST, Golf R's, blah blah, goes on forever. So yeah, have a look. And also the air fresh I've been using at the moment is Wavy Fresh, and it's bubblegum scented and smells amazing, and the code for that is that Fezgal 10. So yeah, check them out. The lights on the car at the mirror auto beam, we'll be adding some more of them on soon. The reverse light that you may have seen this morning is auto beam. So yeah, the code for that is that Fezgal, which gives you free postage on little items. So have a look. Thanks guys. So thanks for liking, commenting and subscribing on all my videos. It's really nice. So keep subscribing and more videos pop up. Thank you.